This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California, my software business. I'm super excited. This week, they just announced that they're going to be adding the ability to create multiple streams of income with my software business, meaning that if you're promoting another product, another maybe JV Soup product or ClickBank or any other affiliate product, digital product that you're promoting, you're going to be able to add that to my software business in the back end to help you create multiple streams of income. And if you know me, I love multiple streams of income. I've been working full-time from home for the past, almost 6 years. And it's been an absolutely amazing journey. So we're just going to do a little recap because I know I have a lot of new different members that are viewing this video. And so what is my software business? It's based on 100% commissions, which is really awesome. You do earn $200 per commission, and I'm just going to share with you the website here. You're actually going to get a duplicate website that looks just like this, which I'm going to create for you as a bonus to help you, create results, right? So this is how it works, right? Step number one, if you can share a phone number, okay, the company gives you a phone number, you share it with others, people call it or they can text it. And step number two, you have your own virtual assistant helping you close your sales in the back end. So, a lot of people are asking me, Adriana, how are you getting sales when you are, visiting San Francisco, you're out, at the park, or you are out driving? And again, the beautiful thing with my software business, and one of the main reasons why I joined is because you have your own virtual assistant that is walking through your prospects to help you close that $200 sale. Okay. And then step number three, the fun part, right, is that you collect the $200 per commission. Okay. And the awesome thing that my software business, the company allows you to choose how you want to get paid. So if you want to use Cash App, you can go ahead and do that to receive your payments. If you want to use Venmo, Bitcoin, Zelle, any other payment method that you like to use, or Stripe or PayPal, you have the ability to choose that payment method to start receiving your payments. And so the really awesome thing is that you're going to get the automation suite. Okay, what is the automation suite? It's the 12 different softwares, okay, that you're going to get access to. And then you're also going to have the ability to resell these softwares and earn 100% of the commission. That's already included once you get started, okay? And another awesome thing, right, I always like to over deliver, and you're going to get access to my 6K blueprint where I show you exactly what strategies I'm using for this specific business. It's a little bit different than other business opportunities that I've done before, but I'm going to show you how you can market this offline and also online, and then the same strategies that I have been using that has allowed me to, receive these email notifications from the company saying my software business, you got money headed your way. These are all notifications of payments that I've received. So I'm just going to show you page number one here and just to show you what is possible, right? If you take massive action. So go ahead and take a look at it. Click on the link below and create your account and then just check it out and take a look. If you have any questions, message me directly. I'm going to be working with other team members as well. Another awesome thing is that we do have a Facebook coaching group where I'm going to be adding you to, where I'm going to be doing live coaching sessions. So once, because they're going to keep adding more features, which is really awesome. And that's why I decided to partner up from the very beginning. So take action today, my friend. Other than that, I will see you at the top.